Have you ever grown plants and all of them didn't come up? And then, if you like me, you take that same soil and you reuse that soil?
Salon Diva V in the garden, planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. I'm Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. Oh my garden. So, have you ever grown plants and all of them didn't come up? And then, if you like me, you take that same soil and you reuse that soil? All the time. I do it all the time. So, y'all, let me show y'all. Hold on. So, this soil, So this soil has been sitting here for a minute. So I took all the plants out of here. There was nothing in here. I decided I was gonna plant some more plants in here. So I watered it down real good outside and I set it here. Just set it here and left it for my new round of seeds. And yo, all these plants popped up. All of them popped up. So you know what that told me? That I'm not watering my soil as good as I should, because this soil was sitting there ashy, just sitting there. I had took all of the plants out that came up, and I watered this in like super good, and I just let it sit. And look at all these plants that came up, all these seeds that sprouted from just me watering it in real good with the hose. Look like tomatoes, peppers. Yeah, I think these two are tomatoes right here. It's probably all the tomatoes that I was looking for that didn't sprout. Yeah, so I got tomatoes. Ha ha. All right, y'all, that's it. That's all I wanted to show y'all. It's a process in the garden. But look at my strawberries in the back, back. That right there is all strawberries grown from a strawberry. Not seeds, well, the seeds from the strawberry, but an actual strawberry. I watched Asia over at Yellow Door Homestead. And she showed us how she planted her strawberry seeds from an actual strawberry. And I did that, and I put it on my heating pad. That's a heating pad that is sitting on, and I covered it. And y'all, they sprouted within about a week or two. They sprouted. Now those two back there are strawberries, but they're not covered. This one right here is a strawberry, but it's not covered. Those are cucumbers right here. Don't worry about them. But yeah, y'all. But I have to water this very often because by sitting on this heating mat, it dries out really quick. So, yeah. So, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. My strawberries and my extras. And y'all know, no seed left behind over here. So, y'all, thank y'all for jumping in, watching the video. Share it with your family and your friends. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you are new. And let me know, do you guys find that you have extra plants that just pop up all willy-nilly and you don't even know what they are? You don't even know what they are. So now I have some, I don't know. I won't know until they produce something. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Salon Diva V in the place to be, y'all. My garden. You know what it is. Peace.
Salon Diva V in the garden, Planting food for next year's harvest. As I plant these seeds and watch the garden bloom, I gotta plant this food so my future doesn't look gloom. Keeping it in the family, 'cause